Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dynamite on the trumpet. First, ensure your trumpet is warmed up and your embouchure is firm. Begin by listening to the original song to internalize its energetic feel and rhythm. Focus on producing a clear, resonant tone, especially in the middle register where much of the main melody resides. This foundational practice will set you up for success as you tackle the more intricate parts of the piece. Next, let's dive into the rhythmic and articulation challenges of Dynamite. The song features many syncopated rhythms, so practice with a metronome to keep your timing precise. For the punchy, short notes in the verses, use a light, crisp staccato articulation. Conversely, ensure your longer melodic phrases are played smoothly and connected, using a legato approach. This contrast in articulation adds excitement and authenticity to your performance. Now, let's address the higher notes and dynamic shifts. The chorus of Dynamite often features more demanding upper register notes. To reach these, focus on strong diaphragm support and a firm embouchure, directing your air efficiently. Don't forget about dynamics. Playing some sections louder and others softer will bring the music to life. Aim for a vibrant, full sound in the louder parts and a controlled, clear tone in the quieter moments. Finally, let's talk about effective practice and performance. Break Dynamite into smaller, challenging sections and practice them slowly before increasing the tempo. Recording yourself is a fantastic tool. Listen back critically to pinpoint areas for improvement in rhythm, tone, or articulation. When you perform, remember to convey the song's infectious energy. Enjoy the process and let your passion for the music shine through every note you play.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.